Hello everyone, this is Rory from Click2 and today we're going to take a look at how to make quizzes. You can access your quizzes by clicking on the Tools button at the top of the screen and clicking on the Quiz button. Here you're going to see a list of all of the quizzes you prepared in advance in each specific room. In order to add a new quiz, click on the little plus button right here and you will be taken to the quiz creation screen. So let's go ahead and create a quiz here. You can type your question over here, all of the possible answers down here, and if it's a multiple choice question, you need to mark the answer that is the correct one. You can also create multiple answer questions in which more than one answer is correct, in which case you're going to need to mark all of the answers that are correct. And the final option is an open question in which your participants will be able to type in an answer. Now you need to click on the Save button and your quiz will be added to your quiz list. Now, in order to start a quiz, all you need to do is click on the quiz you want to start and Start Quiz. You can now see what this quiz looks like from the participant's point of view. In order to finish the quiz, click on the End Quiz button right here, and you will be able to see the statistics of the quiz. In order to access these results later, click on the Tools button, Quiz, and here you can click on Results. And here you're going to have each quiz that you have administered and the full results. Here you can see the name of all of the participants that answered your quiz. You can click on the name of the participant and click on Share Results, and the results will appear on the screen. Thank you for watching this video about the quiz tool in Kaltura, and I'll see you next time.